Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a detailed video on the syllabus of English Honours Semester 2 of West Bengal State University. You have already given your exams for Semester 1 and I'm sure you have done very well. And now you are wondering what you have in your Semester 2 because the university has given us instructions about reduced syllabus. So I wanted to make this video so that all of you know that what the university has decided regarding core 3 and 4 and what the changed question pattern is for this current year. I want to repeat that this video is specifically for the session 2021-22 for the students who are now appearing for their semester 2 classes. Just like in semester 1, here also you have 2 core papers, each of 75 marks, 25 marks internal and 50 marks end sem exams. Out of the 25 marks internal exams, you will have 5 marks allotted for attendance and 20 marks internal in any way that the college department decides. It can be a test which they take, it can be a project work which they assign. So that depends on the college authorities. We will see what we have for this particular year in the 2 cores. First core, that is core 3. You have Indian writing in English. You have 3 groups. In group A, you have the poems Freedom to the Slave by H.V. Dirozio, Introduction by Kamala Das, Another View of Grace by Ramanujan, and Hunger by Jayanta Mahapatra. In my channel, I have already posted lecture videos on Kamala Das's Introduction and Jayanta Mahapatra's Hunger. So if you want, you can watch them right away. Then we have in group B, the novel Guide by R.K. Narayan. And along with this, you have some short stories or prose pieces. First, you have The Intrusion by Shashi Deshpande. Then you have Tiger, Tiger Burning Bright by Ruskin Bond and The Free Radio by Salman Rushdie. Okay. Now, in group C, you have the drama Tughlaq by Girish Karnad. Group C is entirely internal. It will be evaluated by the college teachers and you must contact the college department to know about the kind of questions they are supposed to ask or going to ask you and the modes of evaluation. Okay. Now, let me now go to the question pattern of this particular paper. You will have 1 long question out of 3 from poetry. In group A, we have 4 poems. Out of that, you will be asked 3 questions and you will have to attempt 1 question and that will carry 15 marks. You will also be asked 1 reference to context out of 3. So 3 questions for reference to context will be given and you will have to attempt any 1. What is reference to context? Reference to context is the paper setter will select a line or 2 from the poems which are there in your syllabus and then you are supposed to explain about the context of these lines. You know, from where these lines are taken, what is the meaning of the line or what is the significance or importance of the lines, why are these lines important for the poem and such. So you have to write about the lines which are selected for you and you have 5 marks assigned for reference to context. Let's move on to the next group. You have 1 long question out of 2 from novel. So we have this novel Guide by R.K. Narayan. The paper setter will set 2 questions from Guide and you have to select any 1 and write. Okay. So that will carry 15 marks. No short questions will be asked from this novel. Then we'll move on to the stories. 1 long question out of 3 from stories, which is 15 marks again. So in the stories also, in the 3 stories we have, that is Shashi Deshpande's Intrusion, Ruskin Bond's Tiger Tiger Burning Bright, and The Free Radio by Salman Rushdie. Out of these 3 pieces, 3 questions will be given and you have to attempt any one. That will also carry 15 marks. So if we add up the marks here, we'll see that it comes to 50 marks. So this will be the end semester exam for your semester 3, core 3. Okay. Now let's move on to the next core, which is the 4th core or core 4, and it is titled British Poetry and Drama. Here the internal will be on the background. As you can see in group A, it is the background of Renaissance. You have to study about sonnets and how they developed, different kinds of tragedies that came up during the period, to understand the history of literature of this particular age. So the internal will focus on this particular aspect as is listed alongside, as you can see. Here you have again some poems. Let me give you the names of the poems first. Prologue, line number 1 to 42 by Geoffrey Chaucer. Now, Chaucer's prologue is a long work. You don't have to study the whole of it. You only need to study line 1 to 42. Okay, the opening part. Then you have Spenser's One Day I Wrote Her Name. It's a very beautiful sonnet. Then you have sonnet number 30 by Shakespeare. Then we have Canonization by Donne and To His Coy Mistress by Marvell. Donne and Marvell, they are metaphysical poets. So you have 5 poems from this portion. Then in the same paper, you have one tragedy where your college will decide which option you will choose. Okay, the 2 options are Tamburlaine one by Marlowe, Christopher Marlowe, or Macbeth by Shakespeare. So your college will decide which drama you wish to attempt or study. Okay, and the next part is comedy, where we have 2 options again. One is Twelfth Night by Shakespeare and Alchemist by Ben Jonson. So out of these 2 plays, any one will be selected and taught. All right. So in total, you have 2 plays to study, 1 tragedy and 1 comedy, along with the poems which I have already mentioned. Now let's come to the question pattern. From the poems, you will be asked 3 questions, each of 15 marks. You have to attempt any one. All right. And just like in the previous paper, here also you will have reference to context, where you have to attempt 1 reference to context out of 3 again, which will carry 5 marks. Now I want to emphasize this point that if you are attempting long question from a particular poem, you will not attempt reference to context from the same poem. Just make sure that you attempt reference to context from any other poem. Okay, so this is because if you attempt reference to context from the same poem from where you are attempting the long question, then it will show that you have only studied 1 poem, which is not a good thing. So if you attempt long question from any particular poem, then choose reference to context from any other poem and attempt it. Okay, I hope I have made my point clear. In case of the plays, okay, in Macbeth, Tamburlaine, Twelfth Night, Alchemist, whichever choice you are making, you will have no short questions or reference to context here. You only have to attempt long questions here. So you will be asked questions from Macbeth and Tamburlaine. You have to attempt any one, which will carry 15 marks. In case of comedy also, you will be asked questions from Twelfth Night or Alchemist. You have to attempt any one, and each question will carry 15 marks. So if you add up the marks here, you'll also get straight away 50 marks. So these were the two papers which you have to attempt for your honors, semester 2 English WBSU. You might have 1,000 questions in your mind, especially about the mode of evaluation, whether it will be an online exam or an offline exam. I just want to tell you that no matter what the modes be, you should prepare yourself thinking that it will be an on-campus exam, thinking that it will be an offline exam where you will have to write everything on your own in front of an invigilator. So prepare yourself in that way, because if you prepare yourself well and there is this online exam, it is fine, because you will contain in you, gather in you the knowledge which will give you a very good boost for the next semesters, because these texts which are prescribed for you will be important not just in your graduation studies but in PG level as well. Okay, so I will be trying to make videos on all these topics, and I've already planned to make a series on Macbeth very soon. I have already published videos on Kamala Das, on Jayanta Mahapatra, and you can go through them. All these texts are available online. If you haven't purchased any books yet, you can depend on the online PDFs which are readily available. If you have any problem with this syllabus, if you want me to explain to you any problems that you have regarding question patterns, I will be happy to help you. Stay connected with me through subscribing. Press the notification bell, because I don't want you to miss any of the lectures which I will give. Share this channel with your friends, because in these times, this is the only way I can reach out to you. I hope to see you very soon again. Stay happy, stay subscribed. Bye-bye.